Today I'm going to show you how to make sunglasses reflection effect using Canva. After opening new Canva project, go to Uploads, Images, and after uploading your images, let's drag the first image, adjust the size, and drag the second image that you want to place inside the glasses, and go to Apps and type image Blender, choose this app and make sure you select this image and click blend selected image, choose radial and adjust the size of the circle, make it inside the frame of the glasses and decrease the strength like this and click save. And you can change the background of this image. Click on the image, remove background, and go to uploads. And let's use this image as a background. Go to layers, send to back, and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.